of electromagnetic wave which is used in wireless communication. Before going to the wireless part, in early days we have used the wired communication. In a wired communication, one of the major drawback we are facing is that long distance communication. Because of this wired and the cost of implementation also high compared to wireless communication. So we are focusing only on wireless medium for communication. Okay. In the wireless medium, we are having the two parts, which is the transmitter part as well as the receiver part. In the transmitter part, we are doing the process called which is modulation part, and the receiver we are extracting the information what we have sent, which is the demodulation part. So in the modulation as well as demodulation part, the wireless communication plays a vital role. So the wireless major advantage of using the wireless medium in the mobile phone, in for a long distance communication also we are choosing the wireless part. So the latency also compared to wired medium, the latency also low, and the proper information will be received from sender to receiver. So all in our day-to-day life we are using our wireless medium for communication. Taking one of the application of the electromagnetic waves, in general we know that the electromagnetic waves which is having one spectrum, which is having 7 layers. Radio waves, gamma rays, X-rays and microwaves, and 7 rays. In particular, each 7 electromagnetic spectrum, each having particular frequency of operation for their communication. So for electromagnetic waves, we are using the microwave region. In the microwave region, it is having the communication part from megahertz, gigahertz and terahertz. Now our communication is based only on terahertz frequency, which is based on 10 power 12 communication medium. Okay, so because of this terahertz, we are having a high efficiency as well as the latency also compared to that previous medium, it is very much reduced. Okay, taking that case of electromagnetic waves in wireless medium, we can take each one part, what is the benefits and what are the advantages and where we are using this electromagnetic waves, we can discuss in detail.
The introduction of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are waves that can travel through air or any medium. So these waves consist of electric field and magnetic field that are perpendicular to each other. Let's see few examples of electromagnetic waves or microwaves, X-ray, gamma ray, ultraviolet rays, visible lights. These are all that. And these waves are mainly used for communication, satellite and medical application and daily electronic devices. So now we will discuss about how electromagnetic waves are used in wireless communication.
So the challenges faced in the wireless communication in electromagnetic waves. So mainly wireless communication uses electromagnetic waves to transmit the data without wires. Nowadays using in mobile phone, Wi-Fi and satellite systems. So there are several challenges. Firstly, the communication to be cut by using the over distance, and by using a limitation bandwidth. By using limitation bandwidth, the transmission of data to be collapsed and the data system's clarity to be reduced. Environmental factors like buildings or other towers that maybe affects the transmissions of data and other applications by affecting the data's clarity and data transmissions by using lower bandwidth. These are main challenges. To overcome these challenges, we use to high efficiency bandwidth and transmission data, distance clarity, etc.
Solutions on EM waves. Electromagnetic wireless communication systems use electromagnetic waves to transfer information from one place to another. These waves are used in mobile phones, Wi-Fi's, television broadcasting and satellite communication. For example, mobile phones use radio waves and microwaves to send and receive calls, messages and internet data. Wi-Fi routers also use electromagnetic waves to provide information using this communication pattern. And thus electromagnetic waves are used in wireless communication in the current world. So it's more helpful to the modern world without the wire. So hence wireless communication has become wider and more convenient in our modern life.
Now let's move on to the working principle of wireless communications. Firstly, the voice or data informations are sent are converted into electrical signals. Next, the electrical signals are modulated to the electromagnetic waves. After that, the modulated waves are transmitted through an antenna, and after that the receiver antenna receives the electromagnetic waves. After that the electromagnetic waves are demodulated into a useful information. This is the working principle of wireless communication.
Today I am explaining about electromagnetic waves in communications. The electromagnetic waves can travel quickly and efficiently. One major benefit is it travels. Major benefit is it travels efficiently, and which it allows to people connect continent and countries, so it is easy to stay connected with people. Major benefit is wireless devices and mobilities. Wireless devices are mobiles and Wi-Fi's and work without cables. It reduces the wiring cost and make efficient easily. The wireless electromagnetic waves are for connecting global connectivity.
Okay, from our discussion, we came to know about the applications of electromagnetic wave in wireless communication. Okay, thank you students for the discussion what we have to do. Thank you.
Thank you.